Welcome to Gizbot guys, and this is the all new media kit for the OnePlus 80. Let me tell you that this is a special box given to the publication for review purpose, and inside it is the retail box for the new smartphone that the company has launched in the Indian market. So here we go with our unboxing of the media kit for the OnePlus 8T. And the first thing that we get to see in this packaging is the review guide for the OnePlus 8T. Of course, this is for us so that we can give you all the information related to specifications and features of the OnePlus 8T smartphone. I'm going to keep it aside for a while so that we can have a good view of what else we have in this packaging for the new smartphone. And here I can see that company has offered two cases for the OnePlus 8T, and this is really a cool looking case for the new smartphone. This is basically a Cyborg edition OnePlus 8T case, and we also have a regular sandstone finish case for the new smartphone. Let me tell you that you have to purchase these two cases separately because these are not bundled in the retail unit of the smartphone, but you will definitely get the regular silicone TPU case for your smartphone. But I think you should really consider buying these two cases because these look really cool. And here we have the retail packaging of the OnePlus 8T in the red color with bold 8T branding mentioned on the top. So as you can see guys, we have the retail box here, and we have also opened the accessory boxes for the new cases, and you can now see them clearly. On the right side we have the Cyborg edition OnePlus 8T case, and on the left we have the sandstone finish OnePlus 8T case, and both these cases look really good. So let's go with the unboxing of the retail packaging. And we have here the 12GB RAM variant for the smartphone. As you can see that we have 256GB storage for the 12GB RAM variant, but you can also purchase this new flagship smartphone in the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant. Let's quickly unbox it, and as you can see here we have the OnePlus 8T smartphone, and we are going to unwrap all these plastics so that you can have a better and clear view of the new smartphone. This looks really gorgeous, and as I said, the new color looks really distinctive, and basically this seems like a frosted or frosted plus glossy mixture of the glass for the rear panel, and it feels really good in hands. We will keep this aside for a while, and then we will show you what else we have in the packaging for the new smartphone. So the next thing that you see in the box is this cardboard box basically, and here you will find all the documentation. We have this invitation letter for some sort, and here we have the SIM card ejector tool, and then we have this quick start guide for the smartphone and a Red Cable Club card. I think you already know about the Red Cable Club, so we don't need to tell you about that. And we have some stickers for the OnePlus 8T and some other documentation work for the new smartphone, plus a safety information guide. So let's find out what else we have here, and then you can see the 65-watt power brick. Yes, this is the first smartphone from OnePlus to get the innovative and I would say the crazy fast 65-watt fast charging developed by Oppo, the parent company of the brand. And then we have this type C to type C cable, because as you can see we don't have a type A port on the power brick. We have type C to type C data cable, and as we all know that OnePlus ships one of the best quality cables in the box. So yeah, that's everything I think that we get in the box. Yeah, you also have the silicone regular case, the TPU case for your smartphone with a big bold branding of Never Settle. And here's how the smartphone looks once you strap this free case on your smartphone. But as I mentioned that you must and you should buy the new cases that the company has launched, the special cases that the company has launched for the new smartphone. Now let's talk about the specifications and features of the new smartphone. Talking about the design, like the last year's OnePlus 7T, the new 8T also marks a design shift from its parent series OnePlus 8, and the OnePlus 8T's design feels like a mix of Samsung Galaxy S20 series phones and the OnePlus devices, the mid-range OnePlus Nord in particular. The phone maintains a premium feel and good ergonomics. The front of the device is occupied by an edge-to-edge flat OLED screen with a punch hole on the top left corner for the selfie camera, and the frosted glass back panel has a newly designed camera module that takes inspiration from Samsung phones. Unlike the OnePlus 8 series center-mounted camera setup, the camera module on the 8T sits on the top left side. OnePlus mentions that the new placement frees up space, giving the OnePlus 8T more efficient thermal performance and stronger network connections. The smartphone has been launched in two color variants, Aquamarine Green and Lunar Silver, and we are testing the green color variant, and I must tell you that it looks striking. Coming on to the display, the OnePlus 8T also flaunts a 6.55 inches AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, delivering 402 pixel per inches. However, the new device has a flat screen with a bumped up refresh rate, which is 120Hz, making the panel more fluid and responsive. The screen supports sRGB and Display P3 color gamut standards and reminds us of the OnePlus 8 Pro screen because of its true to life colors. The AMOLED screen also gets very bright and has a claimed peak brightness levels of 1100 nits. In short, the OnePlus 8T's display sits right in the middle of the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro screens. It has the resolution and size of the OnePlus 8's display and the refresh rate and color accuracy of the OnePlus 8 Pro's Quad HD Plus panel. As far as cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 8T flaunts a 48 megapixel quad lens rear camera setup. It is basically the same primary sensor that we have tested on the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 8. And I think the company should have at least offered the newer Sony IMX689 sensor which we have tested on the OnePlus 8 Pro. It's a bigger sensor and lets in more light to capture brighter images. But it's too early to comment on the OnePlus 8T's camera performance because we have just started using it. So stay tuned for more camera samples and more detailed evaluation of the OnePlus 8T camera setup. Let me tell you that the primary sensor is aided by a 16 megapixel wide angle lens, a 5 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. And this camera can record 4K videos at 30 and 60 FPS. The OnePlus 8T feels blazing fast thanks to the powerful INNERTS, fluid 120Hz screen and good software optimization. The new handset gets the standard Snapdragon 865 chip aided by 8 or 12GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The phone runs on the latest Oxygen OS based on Android 11, which brings a new visual design, new animations, and some much desired features such as an easily accessible system-wide dark mode, new game space, ambient display with new clock styles. I haven't faced any lags or app crashes or bugs so far, but it's too early to give a verdict on the software performance. We are testing the 12GB RAM variant of the smartphone and will soon bring you our comprehensive review of the device. As far as battery life is concerned, I'm quite impressed with the battery optimizations on the new OnePlus 8T. The phone's modest 4500 mAh battery set holds pretty well even when the screen is set to run at 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone can easily last for a day with moderate to heavy usage. Overall, OnePlus 8T fills the gap between the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. The new phone brings some noteworthy upgrades that make it a well-rounded OnePlus flagship and a sensible alternative to the OnePlus 8 Pro. You get a better and responsive AMOLED display, best-in-class 65-watt fast charging support, latest Oxygen OS based on Android 11, 5G connectivity, and a design that feels fresh and distinctive. We will spend some more time with the OnePlus 8T to evaluate its camera, processing and software performance. Stay tuned on Gizbot and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology.